How y'all doing? Welcome and welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Connor of Thrifted Gems. I am a Vinted and eBay reseller. I buy things online, sell it for a profit. If that's something you're interested in, drop a sub down below. Now, let's get on with the video. Today is going to be quite different. It's a very short video this. It's not going to be like a day in the life or what's sold or anything like that. I get so many questions and so many DMs about people asking me, what is your photo station? Like how is it created? How is it built and what is it made of, so that I can obviously generate thousands of pounds a month in sales. So I'm just going to do a very quick video. This video is probably going to be like 6-7 minutes long. And effectively I'm just going to show you, one, how I built this setup, and two, how useful it is. So this might not be for everyone. If you don't have the capacity to do this, don't worry. Feel free to just use your floor, use anything. Like this is the old setup that I had. If you don't have the space, if you don't have anything like that, you don't need a massive setup. This is basically a cardboard box with kind of lining paper on it. And then that cardboard box is obviously your photo station. We have leveled up for that, so let me show you kind of what I'm using now and how it works and why it is actually so useful. So we have here, this is the photo station. Let me just turn these lights on. This is the photo station here, hopefully you can see that. The item's presented well, the two lights, ideally I'd have the lights on the ceiling, but the two lights obviously just kind of showcase the item perfectly. So if I take this away, don't mind this, I've literally got 100 kilos of clothes to process. So that's what I'm doing, but I get a lot of comments about it, so I thought I would just quickly show you. As I said, this is not going to be a long video, it's basically going to be a one take shot here. So if we move these lights out of the way, these lights are from Amazon. I can link them down below. I think it was like 60-70 quid for both of them, but they help a great deal. But in terms of the actual thing, this is a piece of cardboard, a piece of insulating board. So I'll kind of pop something on screen just now, kind of showing what it is. It's literally a piece of insulating board, and if you can see, I'll bring you in closer here. This is a piece of insulating board. And if you can see here, there's literally two screws screwed into the wall, one there and one there. And then this is just a piece of like wire, effectively. So this is on, so I can lift it up. It's just kind of freestanding, gravity's holding this together. So that's on like that, but it means if I need to take this down, or if I want to put this right back against the wall, I can just move the boxes and put it right back against the wall. That's literally all it is. Like, it's not anything fancy. A piece of insulation board that you would put like in a wall. There was a piece in here, so I just used that. And then on top of this is a photographic background, like a photography background. Again, I'll link it below, it's on Amazon. That's all it is. Like, literally that and that. And then there's two boxes down here holding it all together. So the reason I do that is because sometimes it's not me taking the pictures, sometimes it's my wife, sometimes it's someone else. So I wanted to be able to adjust it, so I didn't put anything fixed in here. It's literally just two empty boxes that holds it up. And then that's good and sturdy, that's all I do. Like if I was to take, obviously you've seen it holds joggers there, like just with your typical jacket here, with this typical bomber jacket. Look how nice that looks just on that. Like, I'll take pictures of it after this and show you what the end result is. Something I also do that not a lot of people talk about, but I've been bagging all my stuff. So by what I mean by that is I used something called the infinite SKU system. Start at number one, and as I take, say this jacket, I'm taking photos of this jacket, front, back, sides, measurements. I'll take it over there and bag it, and then you'll see here, I've just got a row of numbers. So the numbers just continue on forever. So I will then just put that in the bag, take a picture of the next number. That next number corresponds to that SKU, which means when I put it on eBay, I can put the SKU system on there. When I put it on Vinted, I put it in the description. Some people put it in the title, I don't really like doing that. Rather than description. But I also put the picture of the number in both listings so that you always see it. And then that way, if number 347 sells, I can come in, just pick up 347, it's already bagged, I slap a label on it, and then ship it. Like that's that. That's literally all you need to know. Like, it's not anything fancy. You can get boards. I've seen people create boards and stuff that you can create. Obviously the stuff like that that goes on the floor. See, if you've got a nice wooden floor with natural light coming in, use that. There's going to be nothing better. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm taking 15 pictures a day. So if I'm taking 15 pictures a day and I'm on the floor, my knees hurt, my back hurts, I don't want to do that anymore. So this is purely for ease, and it's a lot simpler for someone else to come in and be able to take pictures. Because look how nice that looks. All I need to do is come in, throw it down, shape it nicely, snap the pictures, and then they're done. And that's it. That is literally, that photo station generates me thousands of pounds a month, and it's so easy to do. So I'll leave links to stuff down below if I can find them. But that is literally it. That is all you need to be able to take pictures for your likes of eBay and Vinted. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. Like, all that probably costs like 40 quid all in. Like, and think of the money that's made. So that's it. That is literally all you need to be able to create some kind of photo station to be able to take your pictures. If you're doing it on the floor, absolutely more power to you, but it's not for me anymore. This is what I'm doing instead. If you thought this video was useful, if you'd like to see more videos like this, I've got another one coming up about shoe cleaning and all that type of thing. If you're interested in this type of video, please do subscribe. Leave a comment down below, ask me any questions, I'll reply to all the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.